Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new, please make sure to click that red subscribe button down below, and if you're not new, welcome back. So basically in today's video, I'm going to be going to the park to have a picnic with my friends, and I just wanted to record it. So I'm about to leave right now, but I'm going to show you guys the outfit that I'm wearing. This is the shirt. It just has flowers because I wanted to wear something like that looks a little springy, and then it should be, I think it's going to be like cloudy a little, so I just threw on this little light jacket. And then I have on these shorts and these socks. And I don't know what shoes I'm gonna wear yet. I have to look. But yeah, I'm about to leave, and I'll just see you guys when I get there. I'm gonna fall. Turtle. Tarantula. Oh, that thing is creepy.
My mom wants to eat it. I hope so.
Can I pet it?
Fix order. Oh, it's so real. That is scary. It's gonna move.
Oh, it can bite. You wanna get bit?
Joy, it's looking at you.
Jamari, bro, stop touching it.
Get out. Touch it once. It's gonna find a way to unlock the thing and get you. Look at it.
Yeah.
We're gonna go bite the kid.
Ew, bro, get away. It's gonna bite your foot. Here.
Look at that. That's
It's gonna start. Hi,
Look at that. It's really bad.
Hey, kid.
Right.
It is, kind of.
Why are you jumping?
Jamari is trying to get to Jamari.
Oh, the snake is moving.
So basically we saw the animals, and then at that last clip that you just saw, we were leaving, but we had to rush because we were supposed to leave at 3 and it was like 3:15, and yes, we had to hurry up and leave, so we were kind of rushing. So I didn't do an outro, but this is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.